Hello, this is Mindy from Weekend Gardener, and today Ruby and I would like to talk to you about a landscaping tip. Now, believe it or not, a lot of inexpensive trees that you will find in garden nurseries are shallow-rooted trees, because nurseries know that these trees aren't going to live very long. They're going to topple over, they're going to suffer disease. Well, they are beautiful in a lawn. They do have a few problems. Now, I'm standing in front of a water maple, which is a very inexpensive tree. It's a very beautiful tree, but it is a shallow-rooted tree. So what do you do if you want to plant a shallow-rooted tree in your landscape plan? First off, you need to know what a shallow-rooted tree is, or what the term refers to. Now, what it refers to is roots that will actually sit above ground. Now, if you have this planted in your flowered bed where you have mulch, it's not that big of a problem. But if you have it planted in your lawn, it can cause some major problems. Now, these roots can actually, the blade of your lawnmower can get in these roots and cause some serious problems, not only to the roots, but to your lawn care equipment. So here's a few suggestions that you can have the best of both worlds. You can have a shallow-rooted tree in your lawn and protect your lawn equipment. Now, the first thing that I would strongly suggest is make sure that you don't plant a shallow-rooted tree in an area that is going to require you to mow. In other words, if you want to plant it in your lawn, consider some other type of ground cover, ivy as an example. Just make sure that whatever ground cover you put down is not an invasive species in your area. The other thing that I would suggest is adding a mulch. Now, it would be pretty expensive to extend mulch and cover the entire area where these roots are above ground. But that is one approach that you can use to protect your lawn equipment from these roots above ground. The third thing that I would suggest is only plant shallow-rooted trees in your landscape design where you can have mulch in your flowers and etc., and you don't plan to have your lawn care equipment in that area. So the next time you're considering buying a tree and it's a shallow-rooted tree, take these tips into consideration. So until we meet in the garden again, this is Mindy from the Weekend Gardener.